In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hover effects in Wix. This tutorial is perfect for those who want to enhance the interactivity of their website with a touch of animation. Let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, the journey begins by navigating to wix.com. Open your preferred web browser and head to the Wix login page. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials to access your Wix account. Once you've logged in, you'll be brought to the dashboard where you can see all the websites you've created. This dashboard serves as your command center, where you can manage all aspects of your Wix sites. Next, locate the site you want to edit and click on Select an Edit Site. This action will direct you to the site's specific dashboard. Again, this is where you'll find all the options to manage your site, from settings and SEO to more advanced design features. Now let's move on to the design portion. Click on Design Site, a button that will take you into the Wix website editor. This editor is your creative playground. It's incredibly user-friendly and offers a wide range of tools you can use to customize your site's appearance. Once inside the editor, click on the element you want to add a hover effect to, such as a button or an image. Let's use a button for this demonstration. Select the button and look for the Design option, which should be easily accessible in the Editor menu. On the Design panel, choose Customize Design. Customization is key, allowing you to create a unique look that matches your brand identity or personal style. This feature provides you with the flexibility to change colors, fonts, and other design elements at will. The focus point of this tutorial, however, is the Hover feature. Click on the Hover option within the customization settings. Here's where you can get creative. Adjust the appearance of your element for when a user hovers over it. This could mean changing colors, adding shadows, or incorporating animations like scaling or opacity shifts. Hover effects are a great way to guide user attention and improve the overall user experience. Customizing hover effects is simple yet powerful. With the right design choices, you can significantly upgrade the look and feel of your site. Remember, hover effects should complement your design without overwhelming it. It's about creating a subtle but significant interactive experience for your site visitors. Once you're satisfied with your hover effect, simply save your changes, and voila! You have successfully added a hover effect to your Wix site. Be sure to preview and test the changes on different devices to ensure a seamless look across all platforms. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you bring your Wix site to life with engaging hover effects. Until next time, happy designing!